Hi everybody, this is Matthew Ong. I'm one of the program advisors here at FTC. And today I'd like to show you how you can go about enrolling for a bundle course. So we have recently created this new bundle feature where this course, the Fundamentals of Alteration, is going to be a combination of two modules of ours, the pinning for alteration and also the basic alteration technique. And a question you may have is like, why do we want to combine both modules together? And that's because the pinning class, it requires our learners to be able to understand how do they pin their garment, the existing garment, onto a mannequin, or to just pin a garment somewhere and be able to examine whether they need to lengthen and shorten. So this is kind of an essential component to your basic alteration class, and that's why we want to combine this together so that students don't get confused and that our classes are also really short. So pinning class again is only 1 day. The alteration class is only 2 days. So we have made a decision to combine these together, and so you can never enroll one or the other unless you're an existing student. So I'm going to show you the whole process of how to enroll for this bundle. It may be a bit lengthy, so just bear with me. So once you have seen the course and you have understood what is required, just know that for this bundle course, you only are required to pay an application fee of $12.84, and then there's a net fee component of $134.12. So what you would like to do first is to always check out the coming course schedule and make sure you can commit to the dates. And once you know you are ready to sign up, you can proceed to apply now, right? Whether you're an existing or new customer, just apply now. So while you're doing this enrollment, just know that you need to prepare two documents. One is your NRIC. Just make sure you have the front and back of your NRIC. And so just fill up all your personal particulars as usual under this enrollment. If you're already an existing student, you can also log into your student portal to also make the enrollment. So I won't cover that, but just make sure you fill up your application. And once you have done everything, at the last step, you will get to a page, like you will get to a page right here. So at this page, you will only be required to pay the application fee of $12.84. So if you have a promo code from the recent open house, you can also use a promo code. So now it's open house period, I can just go ahead to use a promo code. So apply this, and I'm going to proceed to sign up. So once you have signed up, your seats are not secured yet because you have not made the net fees payment. And so what will be a next step is you will need to speak to your program advisor, any one of them that you're working with, and ask them to generate an invoice for your enrollment. So once the program advisor have generated an invoice for your enrollment, you will receive an email with a notification of acceptance that you are in this course. So this is an email that will automatically be sent to you once the invoice is generated. So just take note that, again, application fee is $12.84, and then the net fees is $124.12. So in order to secure your slots, you need to log in to your student account. So for new students, your login user and password will be sent to you upon enrollment. For existing students, you should already know your password. If you don't know, just make sure you go to the student portal and you forget password to find your password. So I would encourage you to always log into your student portal via the web browser. So make sure you're on Google Chrome or something to log in. So once you logged in, just make sure you, if you want to find the URL, it's ftc.org/student. Once you're logged into your account, make sure you go under billings and invoices, right? Go under invoices, and then you will see a list of invoices or courses that you have signed up for. So for this example, look for ATF. ATF just stands for Fundamentals of Alteration. And so just click on the magnifying glass on the right side. And this is the section where you will have to indicate what's your payment for your net fees. So down here, just indicate if you've got Skillsfuture credits, just indicate how much you intend to use. Remember that Skillsfuture credits, you have to log into your account to know what's your balance. PSEA is for those Singaporeans below 31. They can check their a PSEA hotline to see if they have got balance funds that they can use. So if you've got any of those options, just go ahead to indicate which option. Again, you may not have this option shown to you if you don't meet the requirements of Skillsfuture credits or PSEA. So just indicate the amount that you want to use, and then you can proceed to sign up, right? To submit your payment. This is how you secure your seats. Just know that, just ignore this promo code because you're not supposed to use any promo code for this net cost fee payment. So that's how you secure your seats for your Fundamental of Alteration bundle. Now, this next step I want to cover is only for those who intend to use their Skillsfuture credits for this alteration bundle. So for those who are not using it, you can leave now. So to make your Skillsfuture credits claim, just know that for this bundle, it's made up of 2 courses. And because it's made up of 2 courses, you will have to make 2 separate claims under your Skillsfuture credits. So the way you do it is you want to first make sure that once you have indicated your payment option, you can go ahead to download the invoice. So just make sure you click on this icon to download the invoice. The invoice will be required as a supporting document while you're making a claim. So to make Skillsfuture credits claim, once again go to this website URL, skillsfuture.gov.sg/credit, and then indicate make Skillsfuture credits claim. So you'll be required to log in with your SingPass. So just do the same process that you always do. Now, once you have logged in, just proceed to submit a claim. And for searching for the course, don't search for Fundamental of Alteration because you got to search for 2 separate courses. And what I'll do for you is I've already created a Skillsfuture credits claim sheet. You can refer to this link that will be sent to you as well. So make sure that all your Skillsfuture credits claim can only be made 60 days or less. So I recommend that you make claims at least 2 weeks or less before the course start date. And once you get to this page, just scroll all the way down to showing courses. And just know for Fundamentals of Alteration Technique bundle, it's going to be these 2 modules here. So I just need you to copy and paste the first module course title. And then you just need to search this course up. So maybe you want to backspace a bit so that SSG they can find your course information. So feed evaluation. So synchronous e-learning just means it's an online class. So for our current intakes, we only have online class. So if it's online class, just click on this and then search. And then this is the one, this is the course. So again, you can see tab PC. So you can then select the intake that you're going to join. So if I'm going to join, if my start date is going to be this date, then I'm going to select this. And for the fees wise, just go back to the Google Sheet. Just make sure you copy the net fees. Again, if you notice, if I combine these 2 courses together, the net fees for both of this course will be $124.12. So it's the same amount as Fundamental of Alteration. So again, select $46.01 for this course. Then for the supporting document that they require you to submit, just make sure you upload the invoice that you have just downloaded from the student portal. So if you don't know, just click on this icon, you will download this. So make sure you upload this as a supporting document. Now, once you're done, just read and agree, and then you can proceed to submit your claim for this module. So this is just only the claim for this module. You will subsequently need to also make another claim for your apply basic alteration technique. So again, follow the same step, search for the name of this course, apply basic alteration technique. I'm just going to quickly show you one time how whether does the search work properly again. So we are going to proceed to submit another claim. Please search for the name of the course. So if you don't see anything, just either remove the first keyword, but you can see it's already popping out already. So sometimes you just need to like backspace or something in order for it to come up. So again, pick the e-learning just means it's an online live Zoom class. So click that, and then just wait for it to populate some information. So again, this is what you're trying to sign up for, and then just click on this. All right, I hope this video is helpful in helping you to understand. If there's any further questions, you can always reach out to any one of us to help you all further. All right, thank you.